In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as unpaid in Xero. This is useful when a payment was matched to the wrong invoice, a customer's payment bounced, or you simply need to undo a reconciliation so you can fix it correctly. In Xero, the clean way to do this is to remove the payment from the invoice, which restores the invoice to an unpaid state and sends the bank line back to your reconciliation screen. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main menu, open Sales. This is where you manage all customer billing activity. Next, go to Invoices to see your full list. To find invoices that currently show as complete, switch to the Paid section. This view filters the list, so you can quickly locate any invoice that needs to be reversed back to unpaid. Find and open the specific invoice you want to change. On the invoice page, look for the payment details. You'll see a link to the payment that was applied. Click that link to open the payment transaction itself. You're now looking at the payment record that ties the bank activity to the invoice. In the payment screen, open the Options menu and choose Remove and Redo. Confirm when prompted. This action doesn't delete the invoice. It simply unlinks the payment from the invoice and pushes the related bank statement line back to your reconciliation area so you can rematch it later to the correct invoice or handle it as needed. It also updates the invoice status from paid back to awaiting payment or overdue if the due date has already passed. Head back to the invoice to confirm the status change. You should now see that the balance is outstanding again. If the invoice had more than one payment applied, repeat the same remove and redo action for each payment until the full amount is unpaid. A few tips to keep your records tidy. Make sure you have the right user permissions to edit payments. Be aware that removing a payment can affect reports for that period, like age receivables and cash reports, because you're reversing the payment allocation. After you remove and redo, check your bank reconciliation screen. The statement line will reappear there, ready to be matched correctly. Adding a short note in the invoice history or your internal records can help explain why the change was made, which is helpful for audits and for anyone else reviewing the file. That's it. You've successfully marked the invoice as unpaid by removing the applied payment, keeping your books accurate and ready for the correct reconciliation.